You know I like my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night. Hair jeans that fit just right. Ready to work. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Munson pine. That's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. My house is not much to talk about, but it's built with love thrown in southern ground, with a little bit of chicken pie, cold beer on Friday night, hair jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I'd like to see the sunrise, love in a woman's eyes, touch of a precious child, no mother's love. Well, it's funny how the little ones in life, they mean the most. Not where you live, what you don't drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign for the peace of mind. This side comes the note. Now if you agree, grab a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken pie. Cold beer on Friday night, hair jeans that fit too tight, ready to work, like to see the sunrise, love in a woman's eyes, touch of a precious child, no mother's love. I thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it rain, salute the ones that die, ones who give their lives so we don't have to sacrifice things we love. Keep going. Somebody requested that shit. Get your little chicken pie, cold greasy on a Friday night, hair jeans that fit just right, ready to up. I like to see the sunrise, love in my woman's eyes, touch of a precious child, no mother's love.